This brand is a part of the Paloma Group, and the water heaters can be purchased at home improvement stores such as Menards and the Home Depot. The Marathon point-of-use models are made of fiberglass, so they do not face corrosion problems, and they have a bowl-shaped bottom which allows the sediment to be completely drained during maintenance. They are available in either 15 or 20-gallon sizes and are backed by a very good warranty. The Performance Series models are available in 5 sizes from 2.5 to 30 gallons, and they are about half the price of the Marathon models, but they use basic metal tank technology and their guarantee is only average when compared to other brands.